Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to log into MetaTrader 5 on your Android device. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once MT5 is open, you'll see the main interface. This includes quotes, charts, trade, history, and messages. To log in, tap the menu button at the top left corner and tap Get Started. Then tap Plus button. To find the broker, search for IS6 and tap IS6 Technologies Limited. Enter your login ID in the login field, your password in the password field, and select the correct server from the drop-down list provided by IS6FX. Tap the Login button. You'll know you're successfully logged in by seeing your account details. Now, let's quickly review the MT5 interface. Quotes shows all available currency pairs and their real-time prices. Charts help to see the candlestick graph, where you can analyze price movements using various tools and indicators. Trade view account details like balance and equity. Here, you can also view currently open trades. History it shows closed trades and transactions. Use the clock symbol to switch between positions, orders, and deals. And the Messages feature allows you to communicate in real time with other traders and members of the MQL5 community directly within the MT5 platform. Make sure your internet connection is stable during the login process. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your MT5 account on your Android device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!